So most G-Wagons you see are either black or white or gray, but this one might be one of the most unique G63 builds that you'll see all year. So this is the 2026 AMG G63, and it's finished in the ultra rare MANUFAKTUR Kalahari Gold Magno. And it's off of almost like a desert luxury expedition. And here is, I want to zoom in. This one's got the 22 AMG Forged Crow Spoke wheels in the gold color as well. So they complement the Kalahari Gold Magno, paint perfectly, in my opinion, and really make this a G63 stand out. So obviously this one is a G63. It's a 4-liter V8 twin turbo. It produces 577 horsepower. It's got a 9-speed transmission. Full 4MATIC all-wheel drive. Here, let me show you the inside of the car. This one has the black Napa leather here. You can see the diamond stitching on the door panel, diamond stitching on the seats. So again, this is the upgrade material as far as Mercedes goes. The Napa leather is really the highest it goes, especially the diamond stitching here. Just want to show you what it's like sitting inside. You can see the ambient lights, the beautiful carbon fiber trim, and again, that is an upgrade. Here, just want to pan over to the seat so you can see. I do have this one available. If you would like additional details on this one, check out my video description. Again, I'm Xavier. Thank you for watching.